Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off sound on Gardenscapes game. So open the game to get started, and then once you are in the main home page of the game, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. After you open up this settings menu, you will be able to see the music and the sound icon at the bottom of the page. Go ahead and tap on both of the options and make sure that it looks like this. Soon after you disable both of the sound and the music icon, you will not be able to hear any kind of a sound or music playing while playing the Gardenscapes game. So that is how you can easily turn off sound effects on Gardenscapes and enjoy the music-free experience. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.